to finish up the last two problems on the notes here. And this first one says find the coordinate of J if K is the midpoint of JL. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a picture here. So we have JL and K is the midpoint. So we know those are equidistant. It says K is -1, 2, and L is 3, -5. Now, again, notice I just drew kind of a picture. I didn't necessarily put it on a grid. We could put it on a grid if we need to, but I'm going to show you a strategy to kind of go about this. So we're missing this other point over here, x, y. All right, so what I typically do with these problems is a little less algebraic in nature. I'm going to go ahead and just start from the endpoint we know, which is 3, -5. Now, to get to the midpoint, I go to -1, 2. All right, so I've gone down 4 on the x, and I've gone up 7 on the y. All right, so if I want to go one more point, I'm going to go in the same direction. I'm going to go down 4 more points on the x, so -5, and I'm going to go up 7 more on the y, which takes me to 9. All right, so I'd be at -5, 9. So that's the strategy I would always use on this type of the problem. I do want to show you just with the x value what else you can do. All right, since we're comparing these points, we're looking at this endpoint and this endpoint, and we're saying the middle is that x value. So if I average my x's, I get 3 plus x over 2, average of the endpoint x's, needs to equal -1. Multiply both sides by 2, I get 3 plus x equals -2, and then I subtract the 5 over and I get x equals -5. All right, a very algebraic approach to get that other endpoint's x value. Now we can do the same on the y plus -5 divided by 2 equals 2. All right, so I multiply both sides by 2, I have y minus 5 equals 4. Add the 5 over, and I get y equals 9. And notice we got the same point we got using that much less algebraic method of just kind of stair-stepping up. How much did x change by? Change by that amount again. How much did y change by? Change by that much again. Both strategies work really well, and you're going to want to pick whichever method works best for you.